A new day, a new project, a new fix. In fact, we have this hair dryer. I don't know what's the problem here. Is it the cable? Is it the switch? Is it the thermostat or anything else in there? Let's try to figure out. And for the beginning, I have a test. So it's plugged in. Well, it's looking like we have a cable problem. From the beginning, this was very simple. Too simple, by the way. How we dismantle this? This is glued for sure. Oh yes. Yeah, it was glued. Can we just open this? Very interesting, no fixing design. I can call it throw it and buy a new one design. Not for me. Here we go. Okay, this is nice. So it's a kind of connection in there. So maybe the cable is good. All we need to do is to tie and clean the connection. So I'm checking the cable for continuity. You just go away. So I have this and one of these. No, this is the top. Okay, here is okay. What about the other one? Yes. The cable is gone. Doesn't look secure at all. Just to connect the cable in here, or maybe this one goes in here and keeps everything there tied. Okay, let's try to cut this. Here and here and this one. Oh yes. I think we are in business. And look, here is the problem with the blue one. Well, I'll try another approach. This one stays here. I'll just take this a little bit farther, solder them together and have shrinking tube on top of this. Okay, let's prepare the ends for a proper soldering. This is clean and nice. We can do this a little bit larger. There we go. When you are doing this kind of, how can I say, joints, do not forget to have the shrinking tube before anything in place. Because once you done the things, then you can't have this no more. Okay, I think 2 of it will be more than enough. Let me have the longer one first. Short. And now for each of these. And they are pretty equal. Okay, let's do this before. There we go. Let's start with the blue one. And let's see. You need this close to be before and to keep the temperature under control. The Jaws reminds me of that movie. The best way to do it is to have this going one into another. And I'll go even farther with some of this. This is perfect. Okay, solder. So we need like 350, 300 and even less, 320 flux. And I'll do that from down here first. Okay, well, this is very well done because we need the solder to get very well into the wires. Perfect. That was the first connection, properly done. Now let's see what's happening with, yeah, this is okay here. Oh yes, so perfect. Now it's time to have the second in place. Same story. So again, we need to have the close before the shrinking tube to have a kind of thermal barrier. Otherwise, the temperature of the soldering will melt or will shrink the tube itself, and it's not good. Yeah, that's pretty okay here. So this time we'll do a straight soldering without any other artifacts. Perfect. Super okay. Yes, it is. Shrinking tube in place. Now let's apply heat with a heat gun. Perfect for now. Yes. And to be sure that nothing else can happen, we apply also a little bit of tape in between these two guys. For sure, it will be no problem. And let's make it here too. First, shrinking tube, air gun, second. So, what do you think about this? Is it flexible? Is it secure? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of isolation. So it shouldn't be a problem anymore. Now, what I have to do is to put the things back together and have a test. Everything is fine here. So I may say that I have the courage to put it on the mains, to plug it on the mains, and to have a check. Nice. Clear. Everything is fine. Working great. And the cable is free to jump around. Okay. Nothing else to do but to have all these things back in place. This one here, and of course the top. That will be a problem because we need to use again glue. But finally, that was the story for today. Thank you so much. I hope it's useful. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.